This video is sponsored by Cake Wallet, the easiest open source wallet to store Bitcoin, Monero, and Litecoin securely on mobile and desktop devices. When buying, selling, and exchanging crypto or trading for gift cards, Cake Wallet ensures privacy and security, giving you the keys to your coins. Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to the Daily Zest. I'm your host, Randi Hipper, here today on a Friday. And yes, I said Friday because we're here to celebrate the end of the hurricane in my area. And we worked so hard this week, so now we can sit back, relax, and talk about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. If you're ready for the zest, the news, the education, make sure you smash the like, subscribe to the channel, share the stream out with friends so more people know what's going on here. And we have a goal of 150 likes, 150 live viewers. And if our goal is complete and it is warm and fuzzy in the chat, we will rave. So 150 likes, 150 live viewers is our condition. Right, our friend Kicker, Sir Lewis, Bionic, 65K Bitcoin. Apparently we tapped 66K Bitcoin this morning. Apparently we did. And again, guys, we have a goal of 4 more subscribers, 17,220. Only 4 more. Again, whenever we gain subscribers, YouTube takes them away because they hate us, but it's okay. I still love YouTube. And also, as I say good morning to you, check out our 3 amazing sponsors of the show: Cake Wallet, Market Cipher, use code ZESTY for 15% off, and Gemini, trade $100 in crypto, get 15 bucks in Bitcoin. And shout out firstly to the G of all G's, my G, Alexandra G, for 5 memberships in the chat. Hello, 19 Storms, welcome. Welcome, everybody. Welcome. I survived, everybody. I survived. All right, who do we have in the chat? We have Branko Savage, Mike Volmer, Ulset. Nice to see you. Black Hat is getting promoted, maybe, if he wants to be. I want to make Black Hat a Discord mod, and if he's okay with it, we will do such. And I would like to promote him. So then we also have Aquarian done napping. Good morning. Said, I'm so happy to have a break from training and can watch the show today. Yay! Pump it up. You got to pump it up. Who else we got in the chat? We have Ross. Oh, Ross. Oh, he got a membership read. That's beautiful. Thank you, Alexandra G, for that. Mike Volmer's loving his emojis. He's so happy to have his emojis. Christopher Hanna, good morning. Nice to see everybody in the chat. David Bowles, good morning. Joe Harvey, good morning. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Andy S says, I only care about Emma and the people in Florida and Georgia. That's nice. Crimson on X, good morning. Kev Bounce is also on X, good morning. Auto, cough, cough. Nice to see you. Curtis, GM. We have Jaxie, good morning. Jason Moore said, you're still alive. You're very pleased. Well, I'm pleased to be alive as well. We have, who else? Alpt, good morning. John Legend, good morning. Fat Oracle, good morning, my friend, my Mai Tai friend. I have to get a Mai Tai, please remind me. Cletus, good morning. Oh my gosh. Alex Kaimana, good morning to you, my friend. Incognito, we have TMD in the chat, good morning. Rob C's says, good afternoon, my friend. Jason said, I am very happy. I was concerned. Thank you for being concerned. I appreciate that. We're doing good, though. Right, Yukio? Right, Yukio. Tube and Jar, good morning. Jaxie, good morning. We have I need BTC, good morning. Bulldog Eric, good morning to you, too. Lasers is top G. She is the top G. Silver Days, nice to see you, too. Wayne C is here. So, Ola, home early from work, tuning in to smash that like. Ooh. Ooh. James, good morning. Good morning. All right. Kev Bounce said, yay. She said my name. My morning has started. That's very cute. Very cute. True, good morning. Big Guy 470, what's up? All right, guys. All right. We're getting after it this morning. Thank you guys for coming. If I missed you in the chat and didn't say good morning to you, you could yell at me for sure. Right, Midnight Gathering. Nice to see ya. Let's see. We have Mark, Bionic. There's another Randy in the chat. Wow, good morning. Aw. Cletus said, love you, buddy. Thanks for all your brain power. Well, thank you, Cletus, for your love. I appreciate it. Right, Mark with the rose? Thank you. All right, guys, we're going to get after it, my friends. Let's do it. So we have a lot of news to cover, a lot of news. But, guys, we need to share this stream out. We need to share. Listen to Piano Maddie B. Hold up. Why don't you like and subscribe and share this video? my friends, I'm not in studio today, but it's still gonna be okay. Couldn't make it down there, hurricanes and things. But guys, we're gonna get after it this morning. Randy, is your Coinbase working? No, I'm off that platform now. As of right now, have some things I cannot get resolved at the moment, but we'll maybe one day figure it out. I do have other crypto addresses on my website, and I also have a link for fiat. That doesn't go through YouTube because YouTube takes 30% of everything. At least 30% the last time I checked. Right, Ben Spada, Kelly Gurney, welcome. Glenn Coe, nice to see you. All right, guys, let's get after it. We're going to talk about some things today. Some things. Romo Royale, good morning. Yeah, it hurts my heart to not get these crypto donations from you guys. It really does, because I know y'all love sending them, and I appreciate them. But I just can't fix this platform right now, and it's just one day I'll say my piece maybe about it. I don't know. Don't want to start trouble. Anyway, guys, we have Sheeb, Bonk, Pepe, Floki, meme coins absolutely pumped this morning. Absolutely pumped. We are chilling right now. We're going to check on Doge too. That's also up 8%. Shout out to Dogecoin. That's an absolute beast in the market right now. Doge is pretty resilient, no lie. I mean, if you look at the outer chart, you zoom out and things, it took a pretty big hit coming down all the way from 70 something cents to around, 5 cents at the bottom. Like 5.5 cents. Yep. So now that it's at 12, you definitely 2x, over 2x, and we're doing pretty good with Dogecoin right now. We'll talk about Dogecoin towards the end of the show when you guys get some chart requests all ready from me. But let's talk about Bitcoin at the moment. That's 65,003. Oh no. Oh, she jumped. Okay, refreshed. $65,511 right now, up 0.5%. And again, what's really bullish, guys? What is it? Right in the chat. What's bullish about this chartery? Put it in the chat. What is bullish about the chartery? And if you guys are bullish, put rocket emojis in the chat, please. Guys, we closed above the 200-day SM freaking A. Thank you, Travis, for subscribing to the channel. Guys, we closed above 64K and the $63,822 200-day SMA, and for that, I am absolutely pumped. And again, if we close above the 200-day SMA, that is a bullish signal, especially if we close above it for a longer period of time, because that could bring us and confirm some bullish price action. Bullishly, we are targeting 67.7, 67.8. Bearish is falling below this 200-day SMA, which would be upsetting. And targeting 60K, the golden zone. That is what we're looking at right now. Guys, please be careful. But this could mean some really good stuff for Bitcoin, right? Afro anime. Really could. We're up 150% just about with Bitcoin for the year. We have a fresh green dot that is printed on Market Cipher. Love that for her. And we have the green money flow. VWAP is above the zero line. A really nice rebound that we had there. And the RSI, too, is almost overbought. So, again, be cautious, because when you hit overbought, there's a chance you could have an incoming downtrend. At the same time, we know when Bitcoin does go overbought, she does typically shoot. And when she shoots, she scores. We know that because, again, we had overbought right here. We sent this sheesh into our new range, which was around 52K. Oh my gosh, Bitcoin looks stupendous right now. And so this is the first time we've hit 65K since August. So it's been quite a long time for Bitcoin. And people are saying that we're set for that 70K. And if you look at our range right here, oopsie, if you look at our range right here, the top of our range is 71.4, 71.5. That is really what we're looking at. This is the zesty spot. Zesty spot right here. That looks a little bit below. Right here. That's what we're looking at. That's really what we want. And if we could really target that 71.5 and hold above 70K, oh darn, that's so bullish. That is so bullish. We're going to look at Ethereum right now. $2,657. As we are knowing that Bitcoin balance on exchanges hit an all-time low in the last 5 years. So there's only around 2 million Bitcoin tied to centralized exchanges right now. And then the amount of ETH is also at a 6 to 8 year low as well. So we're going to have a major supply shock soon with Bitcoin and Ethereum. Watch out for that. Again, we're going to be holding and aiming to hold our 2650. And bullishly, 2770 is the level to watch. Something about that level very much makes my heart warm and fuzzy. Then we want to cross $3,000, which is a psychological level, and target the 200-day SMA that lies at 3138. Bearish level to watch is right here, which is 2370. We have some Christmas tree action in the market Cipher lands over here where we had a red dot, now a green dot printed, which is awesome. And so we're hoping that this carries through and brings up our momentum. VWAP is above the zero line with the flat money flow. That's the problem, guys. We need money flow in the market, like a little plant that needs water to grow. Although we are nice and bullish with the RSI, it seems like she's balancing out right here and looking to make her way upwards, and I hope that's the trend, and I hope it remains that way. And we could try to target $3,000 Ethereum. Litecoin is $70. Freaking yeah. $70 right now, up 2.22%, a little angelic sign here, right, Saul? Yes, I made it. I made it. Guys, $76.40 is the 200-day SMA, and the level we've been targeting for a while with immense selling pressure is 75. So that's your bullish scenario. Your bearish is back at that 63. Now, there was a green dot printed yesterday. Again, printed before Bitcoin, printed before Ethereum. So that is really awesome. So Litecoin is really leading the way right now. Shooting that momentum, the VWAP, money flow looks good. RSI, though, looks like it's approaching this overbought, but I really want to see how that turns out for Litecoin. We haven't been overbought since around February, March of this year. So it's been over 6 months. 6 monthies. So we're going to hope for the best. We're going to hope for the best, right, Ivan? Right, Ver Hoofty Floof. True, Josh, good morning. Good morning, everyone. Hi, Wayne, offshore miner. Welcome. Welcome. But yeah, I love it. I absolutely love it. Price action looks great. And I'm pleased. I'm quite pleased with the situation we're experiencing right now. We're going to keep moving, though, because the reason why we talk about Bitcoin and crypto is things like this, where there's a Visa and MasterCard duopoly, and they're actually lobbying and spending millions of dollars to block competition. This is the problem with the current system, is that there's always certain people in control, certain groups, and it always melts up to those groups. And in the payments world, it's a Visa and MasterCard, which they both have a lot of ambitions for CBDCs and account abstraction, which is you giving away your private keys to people like them. And that way, oh, you have automatic payments. Oh, you could just get account recovery. Guys, we don't want you. We want to recover our own accounts. We want to be our own bank. So in this article, it's really outlining that the two companies spent more than $80 million lobbying against legislation that would allow competitors access to the payment sector. So this is what's wrong with everything, because they get to charge whatever fees they want, and it's a lack of competition. You need competition in every sector. And even in the currency world, again, it's not just the dollar, it's not just the yen, it's not just the yuan. There's a mix of currencies. In crypto, the same. It's not just Bitcoin. There's a bunch of others out there that we use every single day. So this is a big issue. Big issue. And there was a recent antitrust lawsuit with Visa and the DOJ, which actually could lead me over to Donnie T, because Donnie T, man, oh, wow, this man
my God,
was so darn savage yesterday. He said something that I think is on a lot of people's minds, and I wonder if Kamama would take the same stance. Now, we do have Donnie T that had his press conference yesterday over in New York, and I thought he was going to talk about the mayor, which he did. He did note that the crypto forward mayor, Eric Adams, he was like, listen, he spoke, he went against the grain, and for that, you could say he would be indicted, just like Donnie T was. And so that actually did happen. And he was right about that, quite ironically. So we do have the New York City mayor that is facing an indictment. I don't know what's going on with that. Seems as though it's a little bit weird. He did go live yesterday, the mayor, and said that he did not accept money from foreign entities. And you know what? How ironic about that situation is he's pro-crypto, which means he knows the solution to it. If they're saying he accepted money from foreign entities, guys, what's the best way to prove that? Transaction history. And what's the best technology to prove transaction history? The blockchain. So this is why crypto, this reason alone. So that way when they come after people like they came after the mayor, and again, I don't know what goes on behind closed doors. However, if there was blockchain, you would be able to prove his address, what it is, and what money came in and from where. Simple. So blockchain really fixes this whole situation. Though there should be a way to prove where he got money from for his campaign. And I'm sure there is. There's a trail somewhere. And if they're coming after him, they have to have solid proof, which we haven't seen yet. Moving on from the mayor, because I thought that was really ironic. He's pro-crypto. Crypto could solve his issue. Donnie T also is calling for Nancy Pelosi to be prosecuted for insider trading. Gary Gensler, man, was live on CNBC, could not give answers to anything, and CNBC did not post his full interview when the reporters were asking him about insider trading. What are they going to do about it? There are a lot of people that don't want to participate in the stock market because they know it's rigged. They know it's a controlled game. Who calls and presses the buttons to halt the stocks? I want to know. And even Tyler and Cameron Winklevoss from little Gemini here, they said the same thing on CNBC quite a while ago. Who makes the calls? Who presses the buttons to halt the stocks? And from there, I don't think they went on that channel again because they don't want them to ask the questions. We do not have transparency in this system. People like Nancy P should be able to disclose what they have. Her husband trading all these things, that's fugazi. Fugazi.
And Nancy Pelosi has a little problem because her husband sold their Visa stock. They had a lot of Visa stock one day before Visa was announced that Visa is being sued by the Department of Justice. Think of that. Nancy Pelosi sold vast amounts of Visa stock one day before the big lawsuit that we all read about a few days ago was brought against Visa. You think it was luck? I don't think. She should be prosecuted. Nancy Pelosi should be prosecuted for that. And then
Word. Also, other people should be investigated, like the SEC, who still, you could say, in one world or another, could have manipulated the crypto market when there were fake Bitcoin ETF announcements that wasn't just once, it was twice, coming from the SEC website that was hacked. Oh, the SEC Twitter was hacked because this is a government agency that advocated for two-factor authentication on their X and didn't have it themselves. Oh, isn't that ironic? So you could say that there was manipulation there in the crypto market, and when we saw that, we saw a fake announcement, right before the fake announcement, a dump in Bitcoin price. And you could say that there was some fugazi things going on at the SEC. So I think a lot of people need to be investigated. No one ever came out and said why this was hacked, the SEC Twitter. They never even got into that. Nobody remembers that. Remember when the SEC X was hacked? Nobody talks about it anymore. People have short memories. Fire Gary Gensler, get Nancy Pelosi out of here, and get all of these insider traders out of their positions. DOGE, Department of Government Efficiency Commission, get it going. We need to free our market because it's held in handcuffs. It's in shambles. And with an admin that does not prevent insider trading and also wants to absolutely obliterate the economy, the stock market will explode. It will be a very, 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 very bad economic situation for the United States. And if you know the stock market's going to dump, you know that eventually the banks are going to fail as well. And the banks are over leveraged and they're highly, highly, highly reliant, a lot of banks, on New York real estate, which if an admin comes in that does not fix New York, then the New York real estate's going to dump. And for that reason, the banks will fail again. So we will have a major economic situation. We will have a recession. We will have a depression. We will have whatever the word is that they want to fit the narrative for, since they did change the definition of a recession. They just want to manipulate the market. This has been manipulation for the past 4 years plus, and it's just nasty. They print a lot of money to prop up the market. No more money printer going burr. Our government does not communicate. Serge Powell has not spoken to our current president in years. We have a major issue. We need to get rid of insider trading. We need to audit the federal government. We need to fire Gary Gensler, and we need to clean up this country. Clean it up now. And especially with the weaponization of the legal system, which is being used quite a lot when it comes down to people like Roman Storm and Alexei, I believe Semenov is his last name, from Tornado Cash. This is nasty what's happening to them. We're going to get to Tornado Cash in a little bit because we have some bureaucracy going on here regarding the SEC. Now, this is gonna get me all fired up. I'm letting you know now. But I want to check something really quick. Okay, I don't see anything. Okay, nothing new there. Okay. So we do have Mark Cuban. Which, do you guys like Mark Cuban? Because I'm a little bit shook about this man nowadays. Guys, do you guys like Mark Cuban? Put a 1 or a yes emoji, 2 or no emoji. Do you like Mark Cuban? I would really like to know, because this man could not even describe what a cold storage wallet is, yet claimed he was a professional in the crypto space. So let me know what your thoughts are on Mark Cuban. However, Mark Cuban, I think he's stepping into the Delulu end of things, where he believes that he would play a big role in the Harris admin. Why? Because he wants to take Gary Gensler's job as chairman of the SEC. I do not understand, especially when Mark does not know what crypto is, and he doesn't know what's going to happen there. Also, I believe he's been flipping and flopping with who he likes going into the marathon ending in November. According to this post, a producer at Squawk Box on CNBC, Mark Cuban was hanging out with Gary G when Mark was wanting to take his job. And this is why, listen here, kiddos, this is why politics and everything regarding the gov is theater. It's all a show. It's all a show. And this proves it. This proves it right there. Oh, they're taking a picture. They're so cute. Just bros. Come on, stop the madness. We know what the deal is. This is theater. They want to stir up a narrative to distract people from how horrible Gary Gensler is and how horrible this past 4 years has been for crypto and every single thing they've done in the economy, because they destroyed it. They destroyed it. Now, this is a clip of Mark Cuban, which was a little bit difficult to watch, I'm not going to lie. And this whole thing, he's like, yay, Kamama this, Kamama that. I love Kamama. And then he's like, Donnie T's a socialist, Donnie T this, Donnie. Like, it's just like making up mad narratives. So this is where he kind of goes into how he wants to be part of a Kamama admin, which I feel like is very hard to believe they'd put him in this position. But
I mean, Neil, you know, as a business person, you have to follow the results. Kamala Harris went from having a negative favorability rating, negative recognition. Even Donald Trump says, what's this lady's name? You know, Harris, whatever, to here she is effectively tied. So from a business perspective, if you're able to, in 45 days, go from being way behind to ahead or tied at worst, that's a huge accomplishment. That means you're doing something right, and you should do more of it. On the flip side, Donald Trump was way ahead. It was inconceivable that he could even potentially lose this election given everything that's happened. And he's just squandered that entire lead. The problem
well, you're
is
right, it's changed.
side,
The polls are even. Could I ask you, Mark,
Harris.
whether you would entertain being a Treasury Secretary, Commerce Secretary in a Harris
Head of the
administration?
SEC.
Head of the SEC.
That's the job I would take. Maybe HHS, but somebody needs to replace Gary Gensler. You might have heard her today talking about really pushing hard to support and advance technologies like AI, not the AI like Donald Trump.
But replace the head of the SEC, the Securities and
blockchain.
Exchange Commission, because he's not a good cop for the securities industry. Bottom line, right?
No, it's awful. Yeah, bottom line, he's awful, particularly for crypto and for businesses in general. We've seen the number of public companies just be decimated.
All right. Mark, thank you.
Hey, Sean Hannity here. Hey.
is Mark Cuban better than Gary Gensler? That I honestly could not even tell you. I think, I don't know, this could be, oh.
Bruh. Oh, my God.
Hello, John. I have the Beholder, a member for a year and a half, almost. Wow. Says MTC for Prez. Well, thank you. Well, thank you, sir. I don't know. Do you guys like Mark Cuban more than Gary Gensler? Put a 1 or a yes emoji, 2 or no emoji. I don't think I do. I don't know. I don't know if he's better. I can't say that he is, because once he gets in that position, just like Gary, is he going to flip his script? And that's just, I don't know about this one. I'd rather have neither. Let's like restructure the SEC completely. I just can't with this. This is blasphemous. Oh my gosh, guys, $66,000 Bitcoin. Whoa!
So pump it up. You got to pump it up.
We're at $66,100. Holy shit. Wow, look at Bitcoin go. Bitcoin, get after it. Oh my gosh. If we close above the 200-day SMA today, we are so fire, bro. We are so fire. It could lead to some beautiful price action, my friends. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Wow, that is so amazing. Go Bitcoin. Yay, Bitcoin. Yay. Oh, I'm so happy. That's so awesome. I love Bitcoin. Let's go. We're pumping, kids. We're pumping. Guys, smash the like, share this out with friends, share it out. Oh, guys, also, if we get 150 likes, 150 live viewers, we are going to rave. Also, guys, let's subscribe, because every time someone subscribes, YouTube takes it away. So please make sure you subscribe and it stays there. Stay there. Stay. All right, guys, again, speaking of Gary Gensler, hi, Magic Son. Thank you. Gary Gensler is the ultimate huckster. Why?
Hucksters, fraudsters, scam artists, Ponzi schemes.
Gary Gensler is a horrible, horrible person. And we know that they have a rule, a Staff Accounting Bulletin 121, that states that regulated financial institutions cannot custody crypto. Oh, and again, that excludes banks, you would think. Except when they could actually make backdoor deals and allow certain people to bypass SAB 21 and custody crypto anyway. Would this be a crypto company? Would this be a bank? Oh, yeah, it is always going to be the banks. The winners are always going to win. They're always going to support the rich, and it's always going to be those higher-ups, that one group up there. And what's that one bank that now gets to custody crypto and bypass SAB 121? It's BNY Mellon. BNY Mellon is, I'm going to choose my words wisely. BNY Mellon is blasphemous. Why? Because they are a part of every single CBDC test, including the one from over 2 years ago at the New York Federal Reserve. They were part of that CBDC test. They're part of a lot of CBDC tests internationally as well. These people, the reason why they're allowing BNY Mellon and they will let other huge banks custody crypto is because they don't want them to just custody crypto. They're setting them up to hold CBDCs. That's the whole thing. They're like, oh, yeah, we're going to let people think that it's bullish for crypto. It's not. Because then they're going to say, oh, you know what? We're going to hold your crypto, not give it to you. You're not allowed to withdraw it. And we're going to have you transfer your dollars into digital dollars. And for that, I say no. No, no.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
Gary Gensler is a complete huckster for this. He's a complete... Okay.
A potato flew around my room before you came, excuse.
I'm going to keep my cool. Let's read the story. The structure Bank of New York Mellon Corp. Is using to offer custody service for digital assets could be used beyond the Bitcoin and ETH ETFs that the bank is considering, according to Gary Gensler. Earlier this week, the bank acknowledged that it had presented a plan to the SEC's Office of Chief Accountant to custody those two assets in a way that would protect customer funds in the event of a bank insolvency. The agency provided BNY with a non-objection plan, a regulatory term that gives comfort to the bank that its structure will fall afoul of the agency's requirement that banks reflect the value of digital assets they custody on their balance sheet. BNY previously told Bloomberg that the SEC's non-objection was specific to the ETF use case. Though the actual consultation related to the two crypto assets, the structure itself was not dependent on what the crypto was. Gensler told Bloomberg after he delivered a speech at the Federal Reserve Bank of New York's annual Treasury Conference. And again, where was BNY Mellon testing CBDCs? At the same spot. It doesn't matter what the crypto was. Bitcoin and Ether investment products are the only two crypto-related ETFs approved so far by regulators, which means that Solana could be next, which means like a bunch of others could be next. They proposed a structure that includes the use of individual crypto wallets, each of which would have a separate bank account and would be prohibited from being commingled with bank assets. It's up to the bank to decide whether to expand the pool of digital asset use cases it's comfortable custodying, according to Gary Gensler. He credited BNY Mellon for doing the legwork on how to make sure customer assets would remain theirs and that they wouldn't be shunted to the back of the line in the event of a bankruptcy. Right here, they're telling you that the banks are at risk of failing. And they know that if they start investing in crypto, putting crypto on their balance sheet for them, that they will end up making money off of that. And it might save the banks. Crypto will save the banks. You heard it here. Crypto is saving the banks. And they're trying to get CBDCs in our hands. And we will not let it happen. I will not let it happen. And so we see right here that the biggest banks, the biggest hucksters, the biggest predators are getting the pass. And how many other big players are going to get that pass? And it's not fair. It shows corruption and manipulation of the market. Crypto Bishop, thank you for the roses. Desmond, thank you for the hat. And also, thank you to Juji, is this Juji, for 5 memberships. Thank you so much. Thank you for all the gifts and trying to calm me down.
Pump it up. You got to pump it up.
Crypto's going to save the banks. Watch. Wait till the banks start saying, oh, we're buying Bitcoin, we're buying ETH for us in our balance sheet because they're over leveraged and the banks do not have money. And when people figure out that there's no money in the banks, that the banks are broke, and eventually New York real estate, if New York is not made okay again, it will fail. New York is collapsing, especially if whoever they try to replace Mr. Adams with gets in. I don't know who this dude is, but he looks a little bit crazy. So we have a lot of issues that New York is going to face. And if New York fails, a lot of the country is going to fail too. Because again, New York is where the money is. Or where it was, at least. All the big cities where the money was doesn't exist anymore. Why? Because they ruined it. The economy is ruined. The people that are there are ruining it. This is a prime example of how the banks always win and how they always try to put everybody else behind. And it is a plan for CBDCs. Word. Guys, Bitcoin is pumping at the moment. $66,110. Absolutely love it. Guys, we're targeting 67.8. 67.8. That's where the target is. Ultimately, the target is 71.5. We really want to pump this up, guys. We really want to have a good day on the stream. And we need 150 likes to get to the rave. I don't even think we got 100 yet. We got 75 likes. 25 more. Let's get it, my friends. Let's get it. All right. Okay. Let me see, Joe Harvey. Joe Harvey, did you go through the link? Let me know if you went through the link in the description. How did you send that? Because I gotta check a different thing for that. But yeah, absolutely insane. Absolutely insane. Hoping for the best ultimately, my friends, because again, this is just blasphemous what's going on with the banks. But we do have a beautiful Bitcoin that is pumping today. So I am very happy about it. All right. Now, let's also keep going. Let's keep going. Because we have more SEC news. SEC. Now, there might be an appeal, the ruling about XRP's programmatic sales in the Ripple case. Because, again, they claimed that was a wrong decision, which I do believe it is correct. Hold on. Oh my gosh, yes, I did get it. Joe Harvey, thank you for the $3 a Doji Poo. Oh, thank you. I see it. I see it. It's right here. It's right here. I see it. Thank you so much, Joe Harvey. I appreciate you. Aw.
Oh, yeah.
That is so awesome. Thank you so much. Thank you for the Doji Poo. Thank you. Oh, Joe Harvey, such a beautiful person. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. But yeah, we got some good things going on. Oh yeah, I did put the Doge address in the description of the video. I forgot I did that. That was a while ago. Thank you. I appreciate you. He said you're welcome. Thank you. New York needs more pro-crypto leaders. Yeah, I believe that too. And I don't know if whoever's going to replace Eric Adams is going to be pro-crypto, because this guy, I don't, yeah. I'm going to stay away from that. Also, guys, Bitcoin is still pumping. $66,267. Wow. Oh my gosh. What will happen next, my friends? We're going to take a look at the hourly chart right now. We are pumped. Green dot on the hourly, money flows coming in. So yeah, we're looking pretty good out here. We're looking pretty good. Again, we're looking at levels we haven't seen since now. Looking here, July of this year. So it's been quite the minute. It's been a few months. So yeah, Bitcoin is battling it out again. 67.7, 67.8. That's the target. Oh, 66.3. Ooh. Oh, Bitcoin's so amazing. Oh my gosh, I love it. All right, guys. XRP news. A former SEC lawyer who recently left the agency tells me they will probably, according to Eleanor, she says, they will probably appeal Judge Torres's July 2023 ruling concerning the XRP programmatic sales in the Ripple case, partly because, quote, everyone over there at the SEC truly believes that the decision is wrong, that it's not a good law and should be appealed. Going to do a deeper dive into the SEC's options and what we could see as we near the October 7th appeal deadline. So yeah, it's very wild that they don't agree with the case. Very unique. Juji, oh darn, another 10 memberships.
You got to pump it up.
Pampy membershipery. Oh my gosh, I love it. Wow, that's awesome. That's actually awesome. Thank you so much. Juji. But yeah, so we're gonna look at the XRP chart because again, XRP, despite all the craziness, is still holding. 59 cents. Hold on. Chart looks crazy. Boo, boo, boo. So we're looking again at 64 cents, and bearish is the 54-cent 200-day SMA. Dave Digital, did you know that there was a Doge wallet where you could use your name? Actually, if you guys don't know, I actually use for Doge the My Doge wallet. And with My Doge, hold on. No, yeah, okay. So My Doge, if you follow them on X, love My Doge. Awesome people, awesome stuff going on there. You could connect your X account to this, and you could just type in my username, missteencrypto, in your Doge wallet, send crypto, or you could go and tip somebody on the interwebs and just say at My Doge tip whoever an X amount of Doge, and then press send on the tweet or the comment, and it's done. So definitely, yes, I love the My Doge wallet. Shout out to My Doge. It's a great wallet. Love it. I use it. If you guys want to follow me on there, then follow me. I do post some doggy pics from time to time. Speaking of the political end of things, crypto PACs are dominating the Ohio Senate marathon, spending $40 million against all the craziness with Sherrod Brown. Guys, take a look. The colossal campaign spending from crypto industry is showing up in a dominant fashion in Ohio's U.S. Senate marathon, where the PAC has devoted $40 million to support Bernie Moreno's opposition of Sherrod Brown, the crypto skeptic chairman of the Senate Banking Committee. In the largest single outlay of CAMPAIGN spending from the digital asset sector, the latest federal ELECI Commission filings show Fairshake PAC and its affiliates, specifically Defend American Jobs, have far outdistanced the initial $12 million the group announced at the start of its Ohio engagement. The spending, which has devoted to pro-crypto to pro-Moreno advertising, is the most of any group has so far committed to this battleground. So there we go, guys. We have millions of dollars that is being spent on pro-crypto Zest. And also Stand With Crypto is another one. So Fairshake, Stand With Crypto. A lot of pro-crypto people, including the Winklevi from Gemini, that have been spending millions of dollars to try to get pro-crypto people in our gov, so that way we are able to have a prosperous industry. And it's people like the Geminis of the world, the Coinbases, all these people that donate money, so that way we could get somewhere, because we have to fight fire with fire. And we know that all these people, they lobby, they have a lot of money, and we need to make sure we can rally our bags and cha-ching cha-choo and get these people in office, so that way we can have a good industry, and not one that's regulated by enforcement, by
hucksters, fraudsters, scam artists.
Word, Gary. Thank you. Word. So yeah, take a look at that, my friends. Take a look. How many likes do we got? Guys, we have 84 likes. This is okay, but we need to get more.
So pump it up. You got to pump it up.
Yep. We need to get after it, my friends. I have coffee. Emma says, need more food. How do you need more food? We just fed you. Stop it. Stop. I swear, when I get off this stream, she's going to be like, I'm hungry. Let's get a sandwich. Like, bruv. Emma, calm down. Calm it. Oh my gosh, guys. Bitcoin is still panned. Look at Bitcoin go. $66,333. Wow. Because you bad to the bone. Boo-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Guys, we got to talk about our boy CZ Binance. Guys, CZ Binance was set to be released on the 29th, on Sunday. However, due to the fact that it is a Sunday and it's a weekend, and we know this country likes to take that weekend off, and especially them Sundays, CZ is set to be released and could be released today. Oh, wow. Oh, boy. And I even tweeted earlier, my friends, and I put out this question. Thank you, my friend, for subscribing. I put out this question, my friend. Who else is waiting for CZ's first tweet? Guys, if you are waiting for CZ's first tweet, make sure you guys comment, smash the like. We only have 4 more likes till we hit 100 likes on there. If you guys want to smash the likes over there. So make sure you guys do that. Make sure you smash the like. But are you waiting for CZ's first tweet? I sure am. Because we know that he was sentenced and he could be released today ahead of Sunday, based on the interpretation of the law. And so the U.S. Department of Justice's Federal Bureau of Prisons, the rule states that the Bureau of Prisons may release an inmate whose release date falls on a Saturday, Sunday, or legal holiday on the last preceding weekday, unless it is necessary to detain the inmate for another jurisdiction seeking custody under a detainer, or for any other reason which might indicate that the inmate should not be released until the inmate's scheduled release date. Which means that CZ is so zesty he might get out today, and I sure hope he does. Free CZ. Free CZ. Free CZ in the chat. Hashtag free CZ. Also free Tigran. Free Tigran in Nigeria. Free Tigran. All right. We're going to keep going because this is also something that needs to be spoken about. Tornado Cash dev Roman Storm's criminal case will proceed to trial because a New York judge ordered it. The New York court system should just be flushed down the toilet. They made a mockery of the New York justice system. It is so bad. Before we get into the worst of it all, we have Sheldon in the chat. Happy birthday, Sheldon! Wait, CZ was released already? Hold up. Hold on. CZ released. I gotta find it. I don't see any updates here. I don't know. Some people are saying that he is released, but I don't see anything official. I don't know. Hashtag free CZ. Hashtag free CZ. I am too. I am too. All right, guys, moving on. We got to talk about this. As you guys say happy birthday to Sheldon. Say happy birthday to Sheldon. Tornado Cash Dev Roman Storm's criminal case is proceeding to trial, and New York is again pulling an embarrassing move by doing this. This is so darn nasty. The DOJ, their case against Tornado Cash Dev Roman Storm will proceed to trial based on a New York judge's ruling. District Judge Catherine Polk Fila of the District of New York denied his motion to dismiss the criminal charges against him, saying his arguments about free speech, not receiving sufficient notice that he may be breaking the law, and Tornado Cash's operations didn't hold enough water to overcome their complaint, and that the government had brought plausible allegations against the developer. At this stage in the case, the court cannot simply accept Mr. Storm's narrative that he's being prosecuted for merely writing code. If the jury ultimately accepts his narrative, then it will acquit. But there's no basis for me to decide that as a matter of law. But no, it is, because code is free speech. This just shows how behind and how ruthless our court system is, that they cannot update their minds mentally. This is a digital age, fam, and he wrote code. How can you hold a person accountable for creating a technology that maybe other people use in the wrong way? And again, there is no proof that he had anything to do with such bad behavior. So how can you come after him? It doesn't make sense, which is why New York is horrible, which is why the state and the country is run by old people, and why we're so behind and other countries are so ahead in every single manner, whether that's health, whether that's technology, or other things. It is so horrible that the United States is such a show. Horrible. Horrible. This is an attack on free speech. Just like Telegram, just like Tornado Cash, just like Samurai Wallet. It's all a war against free speech. The censorship on social media, it's a war against free speech. We need to enable people to be able to create technology and use it efficiently. And yes, you can't cut out the bad actors. It's impossible. It's like holding a car maker accountable for someone else doing something absolutely horrible with a vehicle. You don't see other car makers getting shut down. The same applies here. It is so horrible. We need to end this. We need to be able to have a prosperous country that does not prosecute people with no legal basis. There is no legal basis for this. None. They tried to provide some evidence as to how he didn't do this and how it's just, again, it's within the First Amendment for freedom of speech. And so they won't differentiate Tornado Cash from a money transmitting business. It's a decentralized piece of technology. How is it a money transmitting business? It's not. I was going to say a bad word. It's code. It's code. It's like they're going to arrest every single person that creates technology, and darn they will if we do not fight them back. We need to reclaim our rights as Americans. We need to reclaim our rights as human beings, life, liberty, and property. That is included for Sir Roman Storm and Alexei, who is also another person that developed Tornado Cash. Horrible. Absolutely horrible. And again, they're like, oh, facilitating $1 billion in money laundering for North Korea's hacking organization. How, please, if I hear another headline about North Korea's hacker organization, I'm going to absolutely explode. There is no proof of this. They just put it in writing. Oh, yeah, there's a little hacker group. Where is the proof of the hacking group? I would like to know. We haven't seen it once. We haven't seen it once. I want proof. Give me proof of this North Korean group and how this guy had anything to do with it, because it doesn't exist. Liz Warren went on TV and said that crypto's facilitating North Korean nuclear BS. Give us a reason how. Give us the proof. Oh, they said Binance had all of these horrible people using the platform. Where's the proof? Where are the pictures of these terror people? Where are the blockchain analytics to prove the money was sent to Binance and moved out of Binance for bad things? Where is the proof? We never get it, which is why we need to clean out the people that run this country, restructure the SEC, fire Gary Gensler, fire every single person that has anything to do with the persecution of any crypto business that has no legal basis. All of this is made up to scare people and to get us to turn away from this industry, which we never will. Crypto is going to win, whether they like it or not. We will free Roman. We will free Alexei. We're going to free CZ today. We have to free Tigran. Free every single person that has been persecuted and every single business that had millions of dollars taken away from them, like Binance, like Library, like Ripple. Give the money back. Taxpayer dollars should not be going towards things like this that are completely unconstitutional, unjust, and again, no legal basis. Tell us what a crypto asset is before you go and persecute people on it. Tell us what you think code is and if it's not free speech and if it is. Provide us reasons how before you come after somebody like Roman Storm from Tornado Cash. They do not want freedom. They do not want you to have privacy. Privacy is a basic human right, and it's not just for criminals. You shouldn't have to know every single thing I'm up to. It's not your business. It's not your business. Free America. Free America. Free America. Vera Hoofdy says, I wish I was young and idealistic. This isn't about being young. This is about being a patriot. This is about being somebody that cares about the country. This is somebody that cares about their freedom and the next generation and the generation after that and the generation after that. That's what we're fighting for. That's what we're fighting for. We're fighting for freedom. We're fighting for the generations ahead of us. That's what we're doing. Nothing more, nothing less than trying to save the world. And I do want to change the world. That's why I'm here. I want to change the world, my friends. I want to help bring crypto to mainstream adoption. And we will do that as a community. We will do that as a people, not just in the United States, but in the entire world. Basic human rights, that's what we're all entitled to. And it seems as though we're having a struggle to get those basic human rights. It's not about being young. It's about being an American. It's about being a human that cares. We got to move on to Swan Bitcoin, because Swan Bitcoin, people have been saying is in deep poop, to be blunt, for quite a long time. Apparently, Swan Bitcoin shut down their mining program. And I spoke to somebody at Swan, and I said to them, and it was at Bitcoin conference, I went up to their booth, and I was like, yo, and I'm not going to say who I spoke to, but it was somebody that runs the institution side of things and was getting a little feisty with me. And I was like, yo, I have a question for you. I was like, you know, are we going to move past this Bitcoin only thing? Can you guys really survive like that? And I said, I'm not trying to like instigate. I literally said to the guy, I said, I just want to ask you a question. And he was like, what? And he was already a little snippy when I went up to him. I was like, listen, what's going on with Swan? And he was like, what's going on with Swan? Like, everything's fine with Swan. I was like, okay, well, there's only around 2 million Bitcoin tied to centralized exchanges right now. How many are really on Swan? And what if you run out of Bitcoin? What happens next? He goes, well, we're not going to run out of Bitcoin. I said, how do you know that? And I said, how many Bitcoin do you have right now? He wouldn't tell me. Then, I said, are you going to end up having to compensate for the amount of money that you're losing by not selling enough Bitcoin if you run out of it? Are you going to have altcoins on there? He was like, we're never going to have altcoins. And I said, okay, so what if somebody, let's say you have 20 Bitcoin left on the exchange, and there's 20 people that buy 1 Bitcoin from you. What do you have left? What are you going to do? Where's your business? And I was just like, what's going on with the mining end of things? He didn't want to answer the question. And he goes to us. He goes to me, and Emma was there. She witnessed this. He goes, well, I know how people work, and I know that they're not going to buy one Bitcoin. I said, how do you know that? He's like, oh, people are going to buy fractions of Bitcoin. If Bitcoin's $1 million, people are going to buy $100,000 worth of Bitcoin. I said, so if there's 20 millionaires that come on your platform that want to buy a Bitcoin plus each, are you going to tell them no? And he's like, well, they won't do that. I said, how do you know that? So that's how I know that things like that are not good answers. Not good answers. He's like, I know the institutional side. Well, obviously, we don't know a lot going into Swan right now, because the Swan Bitcoin staff, or Swan Bitcoin, is suing ex-staff over a rain and hellfire plan to steal the mining business. This sounds like the most fugazi thing I've ever seen. And again, a Bitcoin-only exchange that praised that they were the top dog is now facing these issues, which makes you think, is Swan in trouble? And again, I always advocate for self-custody. Gemini does the same, which is why I love them so much. They always tell you to use their exchange, trade on their exchange if you please, but again, you have to have self-custody. Take your crypto off of the exchange and put it in an open source wallet like Cake or any other cold storage wallet, because that's a hot wallet. Swan Bitcoin's in trouble. I don't know exactly what's going to happen with them. I hope for nothing but the best. I never wish for anybody's downfall. But you know what? We do have to be a little bit aware of what's going on. Bitcoin financial services firm Swan Bitcoin has filed a lawsuit against several former employees from its mining arm, alleging they stole the firm's software code, re-signed, and then used that code to kickstart their own business. The ex-staff supposedly founded a counterfeit competitor firm, Proton Management, and convinced one of the founding partners of Swan, stablecoin issuer Tether, to cut ties with Swan and work with them instead. This was intended to irreparably harm Swan's ability to compete in the market, according to a court filing. The attorney said they hatched a plan to steal Swan's mining business from the inside, usurp Swan's code, Swan's role, and cut Swan out from the Tether joint venture. They dubbed it Rain and Hellfire. And Corey Klippenstein, that was praising Swan a few days ago, actually today, saying that 132% year over year, Swan Financial Services revenue is up big. Guys, like, my man's Corey has been defending this quite a lot recently, saying we're fine. A lot of people do not think Swan is fine, and I would like to know how much Bitcoin they have left. If they do not have a mining business anymore, how much Bitcoin does Swan Bitcoin have? That's my question. And again, do they have enough? And is it a sustainable business? That is my question. Is Swan Bitcoin sustainable? I don't know. And I don't wish for anybody's downfall. I wish Swan nothing but the best. And any exchange that is good for the space is, again, good for adoption. But we need people that are stable, people that are not going to leave and not going to fib. No fibs. What time is it? Oh my gosh, this is crazy. Let's see. Yeah, I see some people are tweeting that CZ is released, but again, I don't see any official thing. So I'm going to say that it's not confirmed yet. I don't have a confirmation. Guys, let's also get some chart requests. If you guys have any chart requests, let me know. I'm going to do them.
Oh my God!
No is so awesome. I freaking love No. No is so amazing. B-Team is in the chat. Hello. Guys, I don't know. I know you guys want to rave today, but we only have 103 likes. We need 150. Or at least 125. I don't see it. I don't see it right now. I want to give you guys what you need and what you want, but I gotta get what I need. Also, shout out to the Piper Academy for stopping by. Army Piper, OC, Tradefly. Hello, my friends. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank y'all for coming to the show. I appreciate all of you. All right, let's go to Doge, then we'll go to Sheeb. Okay, so we're above 12.5 cents, 0.12736 cents today, up 7.77%, aiming for that 13.5 cent 200-day SMA, which looks fire.
Pump it up. You got to pump it up.
The momentum is shooting quite crazily. Right, Johnny Bullets, welcome. Yo, this is crazy. The momentum is absolutely mooning right here. Highest momentum we've seen since right here in March. So a green dot really played us pretty well. Green money flow is starting to turn, and we have the VWAP, which is pumped. So that's looking bullish. Again, could it be due for a retrace? Maybe, but you want to hold 12 cents ideally. And again, I don't say very, but we're pretty overbought with the RSI, which again, it could mean an incoming downtrend. Be very careful. Last time we were overbought, we were severely overbought around 21 cents, and it brought us down to around 9-10 cents. But that's when the whole market took a hit too. It wasn't just Doji Poo. Let's look at SHIB now. We have SHIB that's at 21.50, up 15, almost 15.5%. Wow, just wow. So, guys, 200-day SMA is lying at that 2031. We're just above that. So you want to close above the 200-day SMA and shoot for 2501. Bearish level to watch, again, is if you reject this, is, again, 1183. Looks like Doge with the momentum that is the highest again since March. And the VWAP looks pretty good. Money flow is about to turn green, which is awesome. And then we have the RSI, which is really overbought, which again tells me that this could cool off, reject the 200-day SMA, and make its way a little bit back down. However, if the market continues to move, I'm sure SHIB will move too. But again, I don't have a crystal ball. I just tell you what levels to watch on the chart. That's all I do. No financial advice. Never financial advice. Never, ever. Never, ever advice of the financials. Martin, do you think Bitcoin will hold support at 65 to 66? Honestly, man, I don't have a crystal ball. Like I said, if I did, I would.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Oh,
Thank you.
hello.
You're welcome.
Hugs, smile, may the hippers have a great
Joe.
weekend and stay zesty.
Joe, you sent me Dogecoin and now some fiat currencies. Oh, sorry, wrong button. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate you, Joe Harvey. So much love for you, my friend. So much love for you. But I am hoping that Bitcoin holds 65, 66K. The thing is the 200-day SMA that weighs us down. Though if we close above it, then I would love to never see $60,000 again. I would love to hit 60K and never go back, which we have seen in the past. We have seen in the past where in 2020, where people were battling between like this 3 to 10K essentially, and then there was one day where we passed 10K.
You're
and never
welcome.
went back.
Thank you. You're welcome. Thank
Stu.
you. You're welcome.
Freaking
Randy,
Stu.
congrats to you for being consistent.
Freaking Stu.
It's great to see a YouTuber facing up every day. That's guts, girl. Hats off. Folded hands. Heart.
Freaking darn out here, Stu. See, like, that's so nice. That's so freaking nice, Stu. Like, thank you guys. Oh, so much love on this stream today. It's because I survived a hurricane. Stu, you're so awesome. Thank you so much. Thomas, Papa Tom says, don't you know, pump it up. And again, my friends, I'm so bullish. So bullish. We're bullish. We're bullish on the community. We're bullish on cryptocurrency. Yeah, I'm freaking pumped right now. I'm so pumped. Yeah, Thomas. Oh, shoot. Okay, I thought I broke my microphone. That's okay. That's okay. Desmond, thank you. He said, I love your vibe. But he gave me a rose. Thank you. Oh, I'm so bullish on all of you. Shoot. Freaking shoot. I'm so happy, man. I'm so happy. I love this show so much. You guys don't even understand. I love this show. I do. Oh my gosh. Guys, we passed our goal by 3 subscribers. Ah! Oh my gosh, I'm so happy, bro. Like, dude, we're killing it today. I hope YouTube doesn't take these back like it did yesterday. I am so happy. This is a wild. Yay, community. Yay, Bitcoin. Yay, subscribers. Yay, 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 yay. Yeah. Johnny Bull says we love you. Oh, Johnny Bullets. Joey 420. What's up, bro? What's up, Joey 420? How do you donate? Well, okay. I have a Doge address in the description of the video. Also, if you check out my website, missteencrypto.com or randihipper.com, it's the same spot. Hold on. And you scroll to the bottom. We have donations here with PayPal, which is also in the description of the video. If you check that out, it's also in the description of the video. And then on the bottom, I also have Bitcoin, Litecoin, and ETH address. And in the description of the video, I do have a Doge address. So these are my public addresses that I do put out there. And if you guys want a way to send crypto to me, that's it right now. Because unless you request a specific address from me, because Coinbase took me out for right now. And I won't go too deep into that because I don't want to get them upset. But yeah, so that's what I got. Other than that, again, link is in the description. We have super chats from YouTube. YouTube takes 30% of that. So Justin sent a $1.99 and put vibes. I hear this from that super chat. Thank you very much, Justin. Tom said Litecoin hit 70. It's Christmas. Thomas, you're so freaking funny, bro. Yeah, I know. We were looking at Litecoin before. The thing is, $75 is a major issue for Litecoin. So we got to get past that. Get the money flow going. And hit the 200-day SMA, man. Slam that. Anthony Paldino says, who are you? My name is Randy. Hi. Hi. Welcome. Welcome. Cookies for crypto soon. I'm dead. I'm dead. One day, yes. But yeah, so we did a lot of charts right now. Let's do Avalanche. I remember someone wanted that. Let's do Avalanche. Avalanche is $30. Again, really good because we were looking at this level of $29.50 and again $30, which is important. 5.38% in the green, passing the 200-day SMA hopefully soon of $32.75 and bullishly passing that to go to $40. Bearish level to watch is falling below 29 and heading towards $23. We have a green dot that's freshly printed. The RSI is one to watch because it is overbought now technically. So watch out for that. Anthony says hello. Thank you. Well, welcome, my friend. Welcome. Justin, thank you. You're cool. No G said, Emma, get you instant soup. Emma needs some ramen out here. Mar said, it feels like I buy the dip every day. It's okay. That's good. Anthony, oh, shoot.
Bruh. Oh, my God.
He became a member of the Zesty fam. He said, who are you? And then joined the fam. Guys, shout out to Anthony. Piano Maddie B. Oh, shoot. We need a sound check. Baby needs a sound check. I want to check this sweet mic. Why don't you check yours too? And listen to him when he says you better.
Why don't you like
and subscribe
and share this video?
Oh, baby.
Bing bang. Bing bang.
Oh, girl, baby, girl.
Don't even play. Oh, girl, baby, girl. Don't even play. Pepe, my guys, is up 13%. Absolutely mooning out here. Mooning, little pepper. Guys, we're looking at the bullish scenario of 1344, which again is price discovery. And again, neutrally, you want to hold 995. Very, very, very interesting. We closed above the 200-day SMA. Seems like it's given us a boost today. So yeah, shout out to Pepe. I look like Eileen from Seinfeld. Who's Eileen from Seinfeld? I'll look into that. Eileen Seinfeld. I don't think I look exactly like. I think the curly hair is really what you're getting at there. Curly hair is what you're getting at. Okay, hold on. How many likes do we have? If we don't have 125 likes, I don't know what I'm going to do with myself. Oh, we have 122. I don't know what I'm going to do with myself. Guys, I'm looking for 3 more likes. 125 we could rave, and then we'll have a good weekend. I just don't know, like, are we going to get there? We already passed our subscriber goal. We're already 10 past the hour. I don't care about that, to be honest. But I do want 125 likes. The charts tonight will blow minds. I hope so. Any storm damage in your area? Yeah. So the hurricane was wild. I mean, I didn't see any rain. Like, I saw rain. Let me not cap. There was rain, but it wasn't, like, dramatic. I feel like the tropical storm, Cat 1, was just, like, more of an issue than this was. And it was a Cat 4 they claimed. Oh, my God, Jonas. Oh, Desmond with the hearts. I can't. You guys are killing me. Oh, my gosh, so many hearts, Jonas. Shoot. Oh, my gosh, there's so many like little kisses on the cheek. It's so cute. I love it. I absolutely love it. Oh, my gosh. Mini Shell is in the chat. My beautiful 10-year-old friend. Travis says, I got you 124. I don't know if I could go on. I don't know if I could go on with a gold medal, Desmond. Oh, shoot. You guys are killing me. I feel so much love today. I don't even know how to contain myself. Oh, with the hand hearts, thank you. Hand hearts to you, too. Oh, shoot. I'm so happy. This is wild. This is crazy. What was I doing? I totally forgot. You guys are throwing me for a loop right now. I totally forgot what we were talking about. Is CZ free or not, man? Is CZ free or boy? 1.7% in the green with Bitcoin right now. Let's hold 66K. It looks really good right now. Oh. Desmond, he said it's your energy. Thank you. I try. I get up early. I go off. I do my best. Hello, Caffeinated. Hola to you, my friend. Oh my gosh, guys, I think I sneezed like 20 times today. 20 times. I'm going to say 20 times. Every time I sneeze is like 4 times in one shot. It's very annoying. It takes a lot out of you. Right, Mike Vecchio? But yeah, I was talking about the hurricane. That's what I was talking about. Okay, so yeah, I'm like in the middle and then like in between water. And so like I had a few miles in either direction to reach water. And wherever the water was is where it came in. So obviously. So we had a lot of people get severe flooding. But again, the rain wasn't that bad. It was the water, and it was high tide. It was like a mix of. So it definitely was a little bit of a kerfuffle. But thankfully, my power stayed on throughout the night. I still am here. I have the interwebs, so that's good. And so, yeah, we're looking good right now. It's a little bit cloudy. I think the remnants of the storm is still here. And we got a little bit of rain as I was speaking just now. But it's really not that bad, and I'm okay. So I'm happy it's over. I'm happy I don't have to worry about the power going out and having to fill my tub with dirty water. And then we're good. We hunkered down and ate. Yes, and that we did. Kev, subscribing to the channel. Shout out to you, my friend. Shout out to you. Wow. Thank you. Anthony subscribed to the channel too. Guys, we have 225 subscribers. Guys, this is so awesome, bro. This is so awesome. I'm so happy. About this. Guys, 16 more likes for 150. Are we for real? I don't know. Are we going to get there? Are we going to get that 150 likes for a rave? Are we going to get that? Mini Shell, are you on the way to school at the moment? No, G says, I got a cold and stayed home. MTC is life. No, feel better. Everyone put a heart in the chat for no. No needs to feel better. Hearts in the chat for no. Port St. Lucie. I don't even know what that is, so I don't think so. I'm very new to my area, so when people are like, oh, are you near this or you're near that? I'm like, I don't know, bro. I don't know what I'm near right now. All I know is that, that I do know that there are some evacuation routes over here and things of the like. Mini Shells on the way to school. Do you think you can rave today? I do want to rave, my Mini Shell. How long do you got until you go to school? How long is the drive, Mini Shell? Ask Mama Shell. How long is your drive to school? How much longer we got with you? Because we got 135 likes, Mini Shell. I'm looking for 150. We need it. Hello, Crimson on X. Welcome. Yeah, I had a bunch of people texting me, "Are you alive?" I'm like, "I'm here." We're okay. And as you can see, it's so dark in this room right now. It's actually so dark. I don't know. Like, ugh, this doesn't look good. I don't like that. Yeah, I'm not enjoying the lighting in here. It's just dull outside. It's gray. It's not cute. Like, you know? Oh, Mini Shell's only got, oh my gosh, she's only got 10 minutes. She's only got 10 minutes. And you know what, my friends? If I rave, then the show gets demonetized. And because they don't like that I'm using royalty-free music, which is supposed to be royalty-free, which you're like, no. But yeah, guys, we got to look at Bitcoin, man. Bitcoin is going to be beautiful. When 10K candle, I'm waiting for a beautiful candle. I think we're going to have a beautiful price action, hopefully soon. We're bound for something beautiful. Gordito says, how are you? Gordito. I am good, Gordito. Mini Shell's only got a few minutes before she leaves, guys. Are we going to have our beautiful 10-year-old friend get a rave? That's what we need. We need the likery. Or if we get 140, maybe I do it a little bit early because I do want her to enjoy her day and her weekend. I can't let Mini Shell down. Can we get 2 more likes at least? I see you guys out there. I see that there are people watching the show. I see you. Look into my eyes. Do you see me? TikTok. I know there are TikTokers that are not on YouTube. Go to YouTube. Hit my PFP. Second time here says, hoping you got cookies. Thank you. I actually made cookies the other night. We still have some. Hello. I see you out here. Did you guys go to YouTube and hit the like on the video yet? There's a 10-year-old beautiful child named Mini Shell, and she wants a rave before she goes to school in just 5 minutes. Are you guys going to hit the likes for Mini Shell? And is Emma coming in? I don't know. Emma, are you joining the rave today? Hold up. Let's text Emma. I don't know. I didn't plan for Emma to come today. I didn't plan for her to join the rave. But maybe she will if she's spontaneous. Emma's not that cool sometimes, though. Sometimes she's a little bit of a weenie. Now she's being a weenie today. I don't know if Emma's going to make it. But we have 140 likes. Which means that Mini Shell gets her rave, huh? Mini Shell gets her rave. Guys, if you want a rave, put rave in the chat. We need to see a ravery. Rave. Put the rave in the chat. Put the rave in the chat. Stu says, stay positive. Your community will need you. And I ain't talking hurricanes. People will need positive influence. Aww. Well, thank you. Guys, if you want raves, rave, smash the like, put rave in the chat. Rave. Put the rave in the chat. I'm just typing some random stuff. Guys, we have 144 likes. Maybe we get the 150.
You got to pump it up.
Okay, my friends. I think I need a sip of water. Guys, we got 145 likes. Can we get that 150?
Pump it up. You got to pump it up.
Oh, boy. Are we raving? Put rave in the chat. Are we raving? Put rave in the chat. Rave. We're raving. All right. We have 147 likes. Mini Shell's asking for a rave. I got to give it to her. I got to give it to the kid. She's a beautiful child. All right. Ready. And again, darn YouTube's going to flag me for this one, but it's for Mini Shell and the family. Guys, 149 likes. We're going to get 150. Smash that like and pump it.
Pump it up. You got to pump it up.
I went so hard, bro, that my earbud fell out.
Oh my God.
Mini Shell in the chat, did you like it? I need Mini Shell's approval. Mini Shell, how do you feel? How do you feel? Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning to everybody in the chat, you beautiful, beautiful people, beautiful souls. Oh my gosh, I love this show. I love this show so much. Yay! Oh my gosh, guys, we freaking smashed it. Minnie Shell says, thank you so much. She's so cute. I appreciate you. I appreciate you very much. The future is Minnie Shell. Have a beautiful day at school. Have a happy Friday. A great weekend. So much love to you, Minnie Shell. And Mama Shell. And the mama who provides her the technologies to show up here. Was this backwards? No, it wasn't. Okay. Yeehaw, my friends. Yee. Jim says, love the hat. Well, thank you, sir. Well, thank you. But yeah, I really wanted to go line dancing tonight with my friends, but I don't know if I could because of the hurricane. I was like, I texted somebody tonight. I was like, I want to go line dancing tonight. You down? They were like, I don't know if it's open and if there's bridges and highways that are open to get there. And I was like, that's actually valid. Anthony says you got some, what is that, Moet? Is that how you pronounce it? Is that like a champagne? Yeah. No, geez, like it was turned. I sweat the cold away. Thanks. Feel better? No, guys. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. Happy Bitcoin. And we're gonna kill it. We're gonna absolutely kill the game this weekend, guys. Please make sure you watch out for the price action. Also, I'll be posting a little video on Bitcoin price action, a short video in just a little bit after the show. I'm gonna film it and I'll post it. But yeah, we're gonna talk about Bitcoin price action over the weekend. I'll post a little short form. And if you guys see any video by me besides the lives, please, on every single platform, smash that like and comment and give me a follow, share it out, because anything you guys do to interact with my content is going to help us spread adoption. Every single thing you guys do to help. So thank you guys so much. I appreciate every single one of you guys. For No G.
A potato flew around my room before you came. Excuse.
So thank you guys so much. I really do appreciate every single one of you. It means so much to me that you guys show up all the time, especially last night where I was losing my mind over this hurricane. And you guys are all here for me. So thank you guys so much. I just really appreciate every single one of you guys. So if you haven't, again, please smash the like, share it out with friends. Comment down below if you want more evening streams and other content you would like me to cover. And we'll get after it. Have a great day. Happy Friday. Have a beautiful weekend. And as always, stay zesty.